name is Aishwarya Dinesh. My name is Aneda Sejil.
Hi, my name is Abhijit Dinesh. This is our ITK.
Hi. Hi. So today we are starting the basic parts of a computer. Okay. So these are the basic parts of a computer. So before that, what is a computer?
Computer is an electronic machine which receives data as input and process it and giving the result as output.
You know who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is considered as a father of computer. Okay, Charles Babbage. Computer is an electronic machine which receives data as input and process it, and the result, finally the result will send as output. So we have three different units of a computer, different parts of a computer. Basically we can say that input unit, CPU and output unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay, so these are the basic parts of a computer: input unit, CPU and output unit. Okay, input unit means what? Input unit means we need to input something into the computer. For example, we are typing something or we are copying something. So what are the common input units? In computer we are using keyboard and mouse. These are the common input units. Okay, we need to input data into the computer. So using keyboard, suppose we need to type a letter. Okay, suppose for you we need to type a leave letter and we need to take the printout. Okay, so first what we need to do, we need to prepare the letter. So preparing the letter, using the keyboard we will type the content. Okay, so using the keyboard we are inputting the data to the computer, and after that computer will process the data, and when we are pressing the print button, computer will give the output. How we will get the output? What are the common output units we are using with the computer? Common output units. One is printer. Printer is one of the common output unit, and the main one is monitor. Monitor, it is showing visually, it is giving the output. So monitor is one of the main output unit, and second one printer is the commonly used output unit. Okay, and one more unit I can say speaker is giving audio output. Suppose we want to hear some songs, so the output, when we are playing the song in the computer, then the output is giving through the speaker. So the commonly used output units are monitor, printer and speaker. Okay, so I will explain once again input unit. So input unit is a piece of computer hardware equipment. We are using it to transfer the data or feed the data into the computer. So commonly used input units are keyboard, mouse, scanners, digital camera, joystick. Okay, and then second one, CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, CPU. And the third one, output unit. An output device is a piece of computer hardware which is converting the data to the human readable form. then only we can read. Okay, so computer output will transfer the data to the human readable form. Commonly used computer output units are printers and speakers, etc. Okay, so now we studied three parts: input, processing unit and output unit. These three are joined together and form as a computer. So without this one of this part, computer will not work. See, now you can see a simple example for input, process, output, these three functions. See, this is a gumball vending machine, like a chewing gums. In all supermarkets we can see it. I think all of you have seen. So here we need to insert one coin and the machine will dispose one chewing gum for you, one gumball for you. See, now she is going to put a coin. Yeah, she is inserted a coin, and now processing. This is the process. So the system will process out of these hundreds of balls. It will dispense only one ball, and it is giving. See, now we got a single gumball as output. Okay, so this is a simple example for input, output and process. Computer is an electronic device which receives data as input, process it and giving the result. The result
is detect
as output.
output.
Yes.